Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic South Indian beet stir fry to spice up your holiday sides. So let's get cooking. In a pan on medium-high heat, I've added around a tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is all melted, I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds, and you guessed it, wait for it to splutter. And as you can see, my mustard seeds are spluttering now. So at this point, I'm going to add around a teaspoon and a half of urad dal or white lentils and cook till it's golden brown in color. Lentils are golden brown, so I'm also going to add 1 slit Thai green chili. This is completely optional, but I like adding an element of spice because beets can get very sweet once cooked. I'm just going to cook all of this together for around 5 to 10 seconds or till the chili gets a little toasty. I've taken 3 medium-sized beets that I peeled, washed, and cubed into bite-sized pieces like you can see here. To this, I'm going to add all of my chopped up beets, give everything a really nice mix, salt the dish, and mix well. And I'm going to do this for around a minute or so. I'm going to add a splash of water, reduce the heat to low, cover the pan with a lid, and cook for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and my beets are almost cooked through, so at this point I'm going to add around a teaspoon of sambar powder. Again, this is completely optional. You can find sambar powder at any local Indian grocery store, but if you don't have it, you can just skip this step. I'm going to mix all of this really well and cook for 2 minutes before I close the pan with the lid once again for around 5 minutes. So it's been around 5 minutes and my beets are completely cooked through. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of grated coconut. This is frozen coconut that I thawed. If you have access to fresh coconut, please use that. I'm going to mix all of this really well for like 30 seconds. And you can garnish with more freshly grated coconut. And that's the finished dish. As you can see, that was a super easy side dish to put together. I love using beets, especially for the holidays, because that's when they're in season. They add such a great pop of color to your dinner table. And I also love them because they keep for so long in your fridge and they never go bad. To this dish, you can also add some carrots if you feel like, because it goes really well. And you won't even notice it because that's what beets do. They literally steal every other vegetable's thunder. But jokes aside, I love beets. I love this dish. I love adding it to my gluten-free wraps. Or for a more classic South Indian meal, I like pairing it with some basmati rice and rasam, which is a spiced South Indian sauce or gravy, and with this beet stir fry on the side. It's super versatile. So let me know in the comments how you made it your own, what you paired it with. And please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday, and I'll see you next time with another recipe. Bye.